Hi, this is Sean with TriState Water Works. Out looking at some sprinklers we installed for landscape planting. These are rotator nozzles, and they slowly rotate and put out streams of water. Love these heads. They're very water conservative, put down a really uniform amount of water. Typically in the past, 10-15 years ago, this all would have been done with spray heads. And spray nozzles, although they're still used and still have their place, they're real prone to the wind blowing the water all over the place. And with this being somewhat of a hillside, the sprays apply water at a really high rate, so you might get runoff. These apply the water very gently, so the water soaks in. And they're rather attractive too as they rotate. Very, very attractive looking water stream, efficient, and they don't beat the plants up with their streams as well. So if you've got a zone that maybe has low pressure, sometimes all you have to do is switch out to the MP nozzles. You have to switch all the sprays to the MP nozzles, since they use about 1/3 the amount of water. That helps increase your pressure if the pressure situation is due because of too high a flow. So good thing to consider for replacing sprays and using for landscape and turf.